if you're out there and you want to use this particular platform Systemy.io to go on to actually building an audience, selling your products, or doing virtually anything right now, you can actually go on to utilizing the platform for absolutely free. As you can see, you can get the world easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and you can actually go on to getting an account created for free. The account is going to go on to being free forever, and no credit card is required. Although you can actually do start up with a free account right now, there are other paid plans available on this platform, and you can actually check on the pricing structure to see much more details about that. Now, if you actually want to be paying monthly, you can see that the startup plan actually starts from $27 per hour, $47 per hour, and $97 per month right here. Rather, it is $27 per month. Now, you can actually save up to 30% of your payment right now if you're actually going through the annual section. Now, the free account is actually cool, but it had some limitation in the sense that you're actually going to get only 2,000 contacts, unlimited email sends, 3 sales funnel only, 15 sales funnel step, 1 blog, and a lot more other stuff right now. You can see that it's actually limited when compared to the other account right now. So depending on what you actually want to utilize that for, you can just simply utilize the free account. Now, if you do want to sign up for this platform right here for absolutely free, you can actually log into your account and be brought to a dashboard that looks similar to this. Now, for people that are actually intending on promoting their own products themselves, they can actually come onto this section, hover around the profile icon, click on settings. That's going to bring them right here, of which if they do click on payments gateway, they are going to be brought to this page right now. Now, you can either connect your Stripe account, PayPal account, Razorpay account, Flutterwave account to your Systemy.io platform. Connecting that is actually going to help you right now whenever you actually want to go on to getting paid or utilizing this platform. Maybe you want to just simply get paid with affiliate marketing, you can utilize that right now. Now, if you're actually intending on maybe utilizing affiliate marketing, or you want to just simply get products from other platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, you can actually go on to promoting products right like from such affiliate marketing platforms. And maybe you intend on creating a simple landing page or squeeze page, you can utilize this particular platform called Systemy.io to do that. It's going to be quite cool and amazing, and I'm going to walk you through how to do just that right now. Now, if you want to create a sales funnel, you just need to come right here, click on funnels. If you click on that, as you can see, I already have a funnel, but I'm just going to delete this right here so as not to interfere. I'm just going to delete this, and I'm just going to create a new funnel. You want to give the funnel a name right here, and I could just simply name this something like YT tutorial. So once I actually do name that right now, if you have a custom domain, you can connect that to the platform and use that right here. If you want to just simply select the purpose of this particular sales funnel. Now, if you actually intend on utilizing the funnel to grab people's audience or to build an audience, you can actually select this. If you want to sell a product, select this option. If you want to just simply go on to utilizing, guys, a custom funnel or create a custom funnel from scratch, you need to select this. And if you want to run an evergreen webinar, select that option. Now, I'm going to leave this on the build an audience. You want to select the currency which you want to utilize. Maybe I could just simply stick on with the United States dollar, and if I do select that, I'm going to click on save. That particular sales funnel will be created. I'm going to select that right now, and I can actually see that there are 2 options available for me right here, which is actually the squeeze page and the thank you page. Now, you want to start up with the squeeze page first of all. Now, with this squeeze page right now, you just need to go on to seeing that there are a lot of templates you can actually utilize. Some templates right now are actually like the website format, while some are actually like landing page formats. Now, if you want to just simply preview a page, click on the preview template. The page is going to load up. You're going to see how cool this template actually looks like right now. And if you're actually okay with it, you just need to head back and click on select. Now, if you do click on select, that will actually be selected, of which you can go on to clicking on edit, and you go actually edit this page to your preference. Now, to edit this page right here, after clicking on that, the page is actually going to load up. And you could easily go into editing this page to your preference. Now maybe I want to just simply change this. I'm going to select this text. You can see right here that has actually been affected. I could just simply type in something like YT tutorial. So if I do change this to something like this right now, as you can see, I can actually go on to editing this particular stuff to my preference. Once I select that again, I can actually go on to increasing the font size right here. You can take note of that. You can increase the font size or reduce that to your preference. You can actually go on to editing the line height. Maybe I can actually increase that. You could change the font type right here via this section. As you can see, there are a lot of font type you can utilize. You could also go on to editing the letter spacing. You can actually go on to changing the color, the margin, the padding, and edit this to your preference. Now you could also go on to editing this text also. Edit each and every section to your preference right now. And supposing you don't actually like something, you want to just hover around that. You can see a delete icon, click on that icon, click on OK. You can actually do quite similar stuff right now for this. Hover around that, click on that stuff, and OK. Now that has actually been deleted. You want to just simply, maybe I'm going to leave this right here in order to be able to grab people's email address. Now if I do intend on building an email list, I'm going to leave this right here so that when they actually do fill this form, I can actually do go on to getting their email address. And you can see right now you could edit this based on your preference also via this section. Now if I want to change this image, I can actually do that. Just simply select the image right now. Once the image are actually selected, you can just simply change the image by clicking on this cancel icon. The image has actually been removed. Click on the upload option, and you can just simply go to uploading the file from your device right now, or you could use an already existing image that you actually uploaded previously on this platform. So if you select that, click on insert, that will actually be uploaded right now. You can click on the image also, and you can actually go into adding a URL to the image. You can select a file or paste URL. You can actually increase the image size to your preference right now. You can go into editing the image alignment. Just simply edit this to your preference. As you can see, there are a lot of cool stuff which you can actually go into doing. So depending on what you actually want to utilize this particular platform for, or this particular sales funnel for, that depends on how you are actually going to edit that. So if you are promoting a product right now, maybe from platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24, you can actually go into editing that to your preference. And you may want to just simply utilize ChatGPT to actually help you along the line to know what you are actually going to write right there in that particular sales funnel page, and that will actually help you right there. So all you need to do is to play around this page. You can create something quite cool. Once you are done, guys, you can actually view this particular page on the desktop mode or on the mobile mode right now. This is how it's going to look like for mobile devices, and you can just simply edit with that regard. Once you're done, click on save changes, and once you actually do your changes has been saved, you can go on to exiting this particular section right now. So guys, as you can see right now, once you've exited that section, you'll be brought back to this page. You can see the link to promoting this particular sales page or squeeze page. You can actually go on to changing the name right now. Maybe I could change this to something like YT tutorial. You can just simply change it to something based on your preference right there. And once you're done, as you can see, that has actually been changed right now in this section. Now you can actually go on to editing this thank you page also based on your preference, just like how we did for the squeeze page right there. But this is not actually compulsory. You may actually want to just simply delete the thank you page right here, but if you want to utilize that, you can also utilize that right now. Now once you're done, the thank you page has actually been created. Now you can just simply go on to creating an email list that's going to just simply be saving your emails once the people actually do click on that particular section in your squeeze page that requires them to just simply submit their email address. Now to grab people's email, you need to come onto the email section, click on campaigns, and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. Click on create right now, of which you want to give the campaign a name. Maybe you just need to go on to giving it something. So once I actually do name the campaign, you want to just simply give that a simple description. Once you're done, click on save. The campaign will be created. Select the campaign and go on to creating an email message you want to send to individuals. Now you can actually select the subject of this right now. Now what a lot of people actually do to make a lot of money online is that while promoting a product right there, maybe they actually have a product on any niche they want to promote right now from an affiliate marketing platform. What they actually do first of all is go on to giving out something quite valuable to their audience for free. Now in giving them that for free right there, they are actually also going to be grabbing hold of the emails to those individuals or their audience right there, such that they can easily send their audience emails to promote any product of their choice anytime right there. And that's absolutely amazing. So first of all, you need to actually give your audience something for free, grab hold of their email address, then you can use the email list right now, which you actually have, to go on to sending them a mail right now. Now, to actually send them a mail, you just need to put a subject right here. Maybe I actually want to promote a product, or they are purchasing the product. I can actually put in something like your product, and you can just simply put in the product name if you want to. I'm just going to put in something like this. Sender's name, I'm just going to put in something like John Doe. And if I do this right now, you can actually utilize the virtual editor or the classic editor. Now click on save right now. That will actually be saved, of which you can then go on to typing in the body of this particular email. Now you could just simply take out your time, type in the body of the email, or you could put in something like, here is your product, or here is your, maybe if you're promoting a very cool recipe book, you can put in something like, here is the recipe book, and attach that particular link right there, or attach the link for them to gain access to that recipe book, or you could attach the recipe book itself. Once you're done drafting out everything, just simply click on save and publish, and you want to just simply select the duration of which this particular mail will be sent to such individuals. Now if I actually go on to put in something like 2 days right now, that is 2 days after them sending me their email, or after me acquiring the email, that they are going to receive this message right now, this email address or this email message. You can select 2 days, 2 hours, 2 minutes, or any time duration which you actually want. Once you're done, click on activate, and once that has been activated, guys, you can then just simply head back to your particular funnel and go on to linking this email leads that you just created to that funnel, utilizing the automation rules option. Now if you do follow the necessary procedures and link that to this particular funnel, once people actually go on to checking out that your cool and amazing sales page, maybe they go on to clicking on this section that says email address, fill out their email, their name and last name, that's automatically going to be saved in your email list, of which after 2 days, or the specific time which you actually did insert right now when creating your email list, that's actually going to send them a very cool and amazing automated mail right now to them, promoting any product of your choice or anything of your choice, and you can make money with that. So this is a cool way which you can just simply leverage Systeme.io. And I do hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.